Hey everyone, I'm Admired Plague, and today we are unboxing the brand new Pioneer DJ CUE1 headphones. For those that don't know Pioneer DJ is a amazing company that makes headphones and stereo equipment and sound equipment for professional DJs around the world, and they are getting into the content creation game and have been nice enough to send me a pair of their CUE1s. These bad boys are wireless and wired that boast a 30-hour playback time on battery. They seem pretty cool. I haven't had a chance to wear them. I don't have a review up yet, but I will have a review up in a couple days after this video goes out. This is just a simple unboxing because I wanted to do an unboxing video. So let's get into it. All right, right off the bat, the packaging is very clean. It's black and white. It shows you what they're they look like, and it tells you Bluetooth. It has all the stuff down here on the bottom over here. So you got all these different functions. Those functions read as followed. You have high quality sound. They're durable, flexible monitoring system. DJ play is wired and outside is wireless. So if you are doing a DJ set or if you're doing content creation, you can have it wired for better clean sound, or on the go if you want to just go out and listen to some music as you're traveling around, whatever you're doing, hopefully with a mask on. These bad boys are wireless and connect right to your phone from Bluetooth. Also 30 hours of music playback and foldable design for easy carrying. That way you can fold up the headphones back up into themselves, and then you can put them into a carrying case, or you can put them into your bag, whatever you gotta do. But let's take a look at this package really quick. So you got this, you got the front here, you have this nice sleek black and white DJ design, people doing music creation. It could be you doing some streams. The back shows you all the specifications. It's localized to different languages, and also shows you, what we're going to get into a little bit later, is the color packs. You can customize the color of the headphone pads as well as the cord that it comes with. So you can actually customize the color if you like certain things. And then, as I said before, there's your six different things that they go with. So let's bust this bad boy open. All right, so pretty easy to open. There's just a pull tab on the back. You pull this back, you flip this up, and you got yourself an open box. No crazy tape, nothing like that. Pretty simple design. Top flap flips open, and then there's a nice little spot for your fingers to just pull these out. So let's just pull those out right there. Whoop. Instruction manual, I'm assuming. The user guide. So, yep. In the back, you got the quick start guide along with your warranty information and all the other good stuff. So that's there. And then here we go. Here are the headphones. These are actually smaller than I expected. They come with, protection. Let's slide those off. All right. Oh. So let's see here. These are a lot smaller than I expected. This is interesting. So they actually go this way. So here they are. You can check them out. So Pioneer DJ. And then these also, like I said, they fold up into themselves so that you can carry them a little space. They do slide, so you can also put them around you like this, so you can still listen to music. Good to go. Let's check out the adjustable headband here. So the headband slides in and out. Some good distance there. So left, right. I got a big head. I'm gonna have to probably stretch these out a little bit because I got a big head. So let's just see what these feel like. Let's go. Slide them down, get to a comfortable spot. Oh, wow. Good fit. I can't hear anything. Right off the get-go, I could tell these are going to have some really good noise canceling. So I'm going to definitely need to, while streaming, monitor myself because it's very hard to hear myself. I don't know what my levels are like right now. I'm assuming they're pretty good based on what I'm looking at over here on my monitor. That's why I do that. But they fit very well. They don't feel like they're pinching too bad. They feel pretty comfortable. Just got to get them like on a good spot in your ears there. You can like headbang around a little bit. These are nice. Good fit. These are a good fit. They definitely don't feel like they're not heavy. They're very lightweight. They feel good. They feel good. So let's go on to the next thing. The only other thing in here, we got a charging cable to charge it for when it's wireless Bluetooth. And then you also have your cable if you want to plug this directly into something like a mixer. So you could actually, you have a cord. So this then goes into your headphones. This end goes in, or this end goes headphones. This goes into whatever you got. I'm rocking a Go XLR mixer, so these will be perfect for going right into the mixer without having to worry about anything else. I preferred wired headphones anyway, so the fact that these are not only Bluetooth but also wired at the same time is super nice. So once again, super comfortable, super great. So let's move on to the next part, the customization. See you guys in a second. Welcome back. We're going to talk about customization now. These wonderful headphones, the CUE1 headphones there from DJ Pioneer, come with 5 different customizable colors that you can get for your headphones so that you can rock a style that suits you. For me, boom, it's the orange. Love me some orange. Orange is everything I do. It's part of my brand. It's part of me. It's part of my personality, my marketing. Everything I do is orange. So the fact that they had orange headphones for the cans and for the cord too, because it also comes with the cord as well, pretty sweet. So let's open these up. Very easy. Once again, you just pull the top right out. There is no tape or anything like that. Nothing crazy. Looks like it's pretty well packaged here. You got your pads there. It kind of looks like the size almost looks like roller skate wheels. And then last but not least, we have the cord itself. So let's grab that really quick. Quick start guide, as always. Shows you how to probably switch them out. And then here is the cord. Very nice looking cord. Very nice orange. Quick start guide. Shows you how to do the, swap out the pads. Just put that back. And let's kind of go through. Let's see what these look like. Let's open these up and see how they feel. Alrighty. Once again, very easy to open up. Just open the bag. You got 2 headphone pads. There they are. Seems pretty simple. You just got to put the edge around this and just pop them on. Pop the other ones off. So, let's get building. Time to deconstruct these headphones. Let's get to it. It seems like all you got to do is just put for easy access, you just got to take your hand, just put it inside the loop here, and then just pull. And you'll actually just pull it right on out. So here we go. We have one pad there. Take the next one, slide your finger in, pull this pad out, circle around. Pad number 2. Take your brand new pad. Same similar setup here. We're gonna just kind of, there's like a back part here. You want to just take it and pull it up. And we're just gonna slide this bad boy on in. Okay, got it halfway on. Just gonna try and loop it around. It's really easy once you get like a part of it established, because then you can just kind of pull and I call it the pull and tuck. So just do a little pull and tuck here. So just pull out, tuck it in. Almost like slides in right by itself. Almost done. But the last little bit's gonna be kind of tricky, and this is where the fact that the headphones can actually like kind of turn sideways really helps you out. There we go. We got one on. There's one. It's snug. It's fit. Won't pull out. Very good. We're gonna turn this one back sideways. Pull this out. Slide this on. You can do. We'll get it started. We'll get it in. You can say. That's pretty simple. There, now we're there. No, I can tell you know, like, I just do a system. You just on. Headphone. Pass. Well, you go. So, I'll like this. Perfect. Boom. We now have our customized headphones. They look pretty fly. Last up, we do have to attach these to our audio. So I'm gonna actually unplug other headphones. This goes to my mixer. We're gonna plug in these. So let's see what these look like. So, assuming for a clean look, this end here is gonna go into the headphone here. Plugs right on in. This end, it's got nice stretchy cord. You can go distance with this. So if you're jamming out, rocking out, I'm gonna plug this into my ground feedback. Loop it around. And now we have wired headphones. Oh man, those sound good. Oh yeah, nice. Now that they're hooked into my actual mixer, they're now monitoring because I have it all hooked up. The sound quality is exquisite. Oh my goodness. I usually have my monitor set pretty low, but the sound coming out of these is really, really nice. So that's it, guys. That's it for the unboxing for right now. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Hope you guys liked the video. Thanks to my friends over at Pioneer DJ. Thank you guys for sending me a pair of wonderful CUE1 headphones along with the customized orange pads. Really appreciate that. So far, they look really good. They feel well constructed. They feel sturdy. So far, the sound quality from just me hearing myself through the monitor has been pretty crispy. Good design, cool color, great packaging. Everything looked pretty nice. So if you guys are considering getting yourself a pretty good cheap equivalent to some other studio headphones, I'd highly recommend getting, so far, just based on looks and build alone, the CUE1s. They're sweet, customizable, they feel good, and so far when I hear they sound good. Get the full review in a couple of days after this video launches. We'll be basically comparing them to a couple of different headphones, see what they sound like on different video games during the production of video as well as sound quality. So thank you guys for being here. Appreciate it. If you guys want, make sure you click subscribe, hit that bell, and get notifications when my other videos come out. And if you guys want, follow me on Twitch, twitch.tv/admiredplague. You'll see me rocking these bad boys for quite some time. So thank you guys over at Pioneer DJ. We appreciate it. And I'll see you guys in the next video.